Hey, always said, I know Jesus. Yes, so. This is just the beginning. Oh, yeah, at all. I'm a refreshment. So. Yes, so let's keep the music down. Let's keep the DJ, put the DJ keep the music down. Understand? If I follow this man, I don't show. You are here what? What give you no give vara? Hey, no, tell me no ma. Prophet Atiti. Oh, what give you no vara? What give say the vara you? What vara video na? Auto. Who are here? Wa musi. Yes, so this is Umewa Talk Show. This is Frank Victor, the Umewa, one of the universe. Any say, Mondo miakba diamante na. You understand? Mo MC occasional na. Ma azugi edu hunda we. Ogo mahiamia. Magwa kwe virigbe. Magwa kwe rest in peace. You understand? So, ano ni hana no jima hiato tama dene. Ye no yima. Iye no kpoko. Ugegbelebo edu ne kunorame. Egbe bolozo na mitoto. Okuno ne gbenona. You know, yima Juletti. No me agbada we bejo. You also give the way there. Na de are you bo do bien. No wayate birthday celebration. Here do gware. O gware. Umewa Talk Show. Ona ti agbon ti yin. Ona ti oto na ti ukun. Ona ti oyo ona ti no wa na ti agripa. Ona tiekpoli ekete akpanoro eko. Ona wele yado mi agbadia. Eba ye yimage e lora no mo. No a boss lady oge UK. Ebu ye Charlie. Ona we menu menwa. Ni la ba ni la oge. Yimage Juliet no mo hunda we ni yo ma ya yo. Hunda we ami oseni gbogui, ami oseni oga. Ona wo seni gbogui eyen mi yi. Ila hondo gwezu gido wedene mene atam pefe nata mata se ene yo mi agba de na do ya wo ma ho ya wo ma gbon ma iri yi ma ge Juliet o zu ge do ba ma na ni ani ase ta gbe hunda na mu ja ko won o we na we za we de ko to ri kwere hunda wo bo apebu we po hu ri bu eyo wa ya to we ni nwa ya fe ni mi agba de wa yemi na gbon ma wa gbe wa kin na gbe wa kin na mo wo wa ri wa de na wo wa ya bi ye wa ya gbo kun wa bi ye wa ya gwa me bi ye wa ya gbodo bi ye yo ni aye ni wa ya ye Juliet hunda we Juliet o we mi ama agbo ya ikwe po boyo ibi ga beria ali gwa arewa ali gwa doloyi o ye gbo se beri o okuna ge lora o mi Juliet yi hunda we o se no de go se bori bawa ona gwe mudia oni o se no de go se bori bawa ona lene oni o se ni oga zewe de ge o wa gbe kai we na mi o se ni pogu ya mi o se ni oga ari he ge ene yo bono ye o se ni pogu o ye piti o se ra emi ogu aga ki kolo ai be nyan no ye aga be va obono pa ai be ya jan gbolo ai yari mai eri Juliet kine e lora no mo amone mo se e mo na kana na we adogi ha ave gbe bolo zo mami toto no iya mo se gbe o iya mo se na keje karo wat ina fo fana keje karo wat ina fo fana gani clinic la dia eri o no ba na ya na sie tan gbe hunda na mu da ko mo o kawo menu men se baba we the smart babiri mi tari o ko ni ka wa na uneru ikne kwa sa no ko ne ka we na ka we na we na we ke na gri ma bi ma anyo na we ku ge ama we be di anyo la ama we ku anyo la me na nyo si yo no ni wa ato na yi ma ge Juliet wa ato ebi na gbon mo gbe ni ka le run ne nda we ipesi no mo yu gba kaba upo no mo yese aka ho Juliet na mo no mo to ato bi na gbon we gbo hin mo no ma se ba gun akaba ode amono wa manu omo mo me ba igo mo me ba egbe na no to me ya na ya gbe ya fe e ya ago dia we so na upo be gba ni na gbo ya upo gba o keke no upo ba we no upo ba wo na no do celebrate e o go am ye giwa we e no ma se wa gun ya fe no le lupo na ya ago dia wa o he rupo na o so obo e vi rupo na eri he giwa ya la e mo ya fe ni mi agbade de na ni logu e bobo gi na ya fe eruni na le Juliet na eri na no wa ya fe no ma se wa gbon aku wa ba wa kian na gbe wa kian na mu iga ye nu kan le una ayi nu na mi me nda obo han han o igwe no wa ri ba e oba to pe ise oba ilo bo efo we no ye nu de o ye ni me baba na ya akes wa do bo ga omo nu ge so egbe na ya ni wa na o na original party wa no nda we e ko na bro so da ya party wo wa menu me wa na wa lio e ba uneru le na ka tari o no pa sa no ko we na ye we ge wa do ya ye we won e mi sa ro ana mi na bu no ku re na ya kwa don menu me wa we ke be yo wo ya pe lo la ki yo me ya gbo wo ma ya gbo ge ye ya gbo pa go di ya gbo ye no ge mo nze we ige pese no nye gbo wo ya wa to no wa ya fi me wa process star bo si mi ha gbe no wa ni no wa mi is ha le ba wa pi ya mi ha so kwa wa ge video no ge va wa tero wa ti Juliet de u ge si lo e hunda we yan mu ku yan pe ma na we di gbe yo mi a bo kwa ni wa da yo o wa ya to e na gbon wa gbe o ka do ka de no o ka wo o ni kuna yi wa so egbe na no do gwe Juliet bobo e platform menwa iwie monika ya fe kino se kino ra wa ya tiyan yare wa ya ti wie monika yare iwie a big man wife nene clinic wa ya tiyan beauty clinic wa tiyan yare ogesilian hunda we menu me wa yin yana na won yare noko hunda we sigbo ti ko magba abe si asu e ti ko magba we ni wie monika ya fe woni ya de iya de ni yo fi go le gbe ro fi nu me hunda gbe ne hunda ogesilian ejule ti we ni la se fe na ka mi vie mo lo te ya fe we bi yan gbon ama yan gbe ejule ti we ni la se fe na ka mi vie mo ni ka ke no se ke no na ke yan ke ya fe yan aku yan mo se yan wi yan na gba wi yan na mu owe nu wa ya mi agba di àwọn ade nu wa do gbo boy yu ge si lo wa na nu wa de wa gbo lo ade eri ono ma azaza wa na hunda we we na gbe do ya le gbe bien e ba ye gwe e ge ye ban e wo ro wa sa ni no wa to e ma nu ge wa so e gbe ni ala e musician no do fi fi won we ya ko si bi mo ni ke ya wi ye ihun na na ri lo I beg you, young one, I beg you, association. Now I beg you, young one, Hilani Guale. I beg you, Lato. Hello. Ativia Monica Yaro. E che non sai che non ha when you are Tinico Gesilia. Me and the good you let his Ugedo. Hello. Na mo kan be ni lega o nu ge ri so pe ojo we re wa la chan we social media re o na ge no ge are wa o na la o keni aye keni ara na tin are e ba be ye che ma na tere o odi ni ko e ma na do e ba ye ge e go father kwa tie yare o ge silian Nala ivie do nu jomo ivie mo ka ya fe nu wa ya de ana kinai e ke divie mo ni ka se ke do ra me nala na tin are o e mo ka wo mo ni ka to boy wona wa de no ma Juliet o ma bejo o Juliet no wi ye o amo se ba na ki asi je baye Watinyare wa ge video na wa ge se ke ye Monica ya fe ye ni ade o ge silia Ejire dọ̀tí àríwá yìí ó yànnà. All the Belgian ladies who get so agbe, why la dia? Ya wa ni egbe wa o ye. Yes, so. I had a few more going. Wato, Wabagbi. Idiode. Wahawa West. Babano, anyone. Naka posene. Erona Yari of well. I had a few more going. I don't know how you come and finish me. So now we lie. So inside this, so I greet all of you now. First of all, iyi manage ejuleti no dugiedo na eze ge kekere ma waye won ni na ne kere ma won na ko ha ge like ku we kido mi umenwe wo logo du we na ge oko no re yin we emi sunu ge omo no ma ego kparo no ya we mi ni mi na de yuvie because why eko ema osebuna mi wa gbon we na mi osiri gbogbo ere mi osiri oga de nuwekin dama oni question pa ni onu wa negbu wa da wo sin nuwekin dama we ni ama omo nuwe ti o si we da wo sin no hin do se no da no do se ni yekin no a lot of Facebook even every Facebook na o se ni yekin bo even na mi Facebook na ona mi o se no da ona mi o se ni gbogbo e Facebook na mi ejuleti na ni gun kana no wazu gido we na no ru pon ku no gbe na wo logodugun wo loye wo lore na gidu eni ya na yaku egwa agwe ona ga osie Laura nu wa yan ye boss lady of UK nu wa yan ye Naomi ono ma Naomi ono ma zono sune e Monica we vi ati okura vi ati ege wa se ti me gas ne minimu ne si asio Siazioni, sta. We don't buy no ga. Who man, with man, Monique, with man, Naomi. Uwe, ya gbani ya fe. Ose no se ye seti muja koma oni osi. Ose no ma glade, no ma dan he tata tutu. Ose no ma dan he ria, no ma dan he ni ya no sunu dama. Ona ye aroma yiki. Oni osi. Eni meti osi. Ose no ge wu yan de yuvu. Ona riri nu ya ladian. Eni osi. Ose no ge wu yan hin oduku. O ma seti. Ona re gbala kanunu ya hien. Eni osi. Ose no adere wu yan de yuvu yen kwe ro we fi we. Ra ose no yan de wu yan hin oduku. We kwe mu gbala kanu ya hien. O ro gbala kanifwa. Nu mi kinadi. Egbe won re oni eni osi. Why when man yi ebi na me bagbon ya zere e ma ka lo kwa ma why no ye unda we no se no ri demila emila buyo wa understand e boss video on keke no wa zere Facebook na o se na kasi wani ba ta o si ze e woman no si wani ye go boss e din na is Jesus o kwa ze gwaloto o ma so obo how we are married to Jesus kwa agwu eri ma ye ma ni gwara yi ma ya fi unta ma san boy ze doku o ye ze gbo ko ya me ti mo doda fun o wa the Bible yi I am married to Jesus, I belong to Jesus when we born o no bo die ne kwa agwu ni wa kwa sore o ni go make na gba na e ariyo wa. So my people, a boss in waze, that was in women. You understand? A Juliet is a friend indeed. Ani Maria man waya si kamwen ya hunda iwa atia waya si kamwen ngawe buwa ko ya mi wa ko awon me wanta o. So my people, this birthday is a surprise package to Juliet. A Juliet, why tie no do mi agbaja because yen man yen agba we birthday here. You understand? I will not surprise based on unyinisi nonyi. You understand? Based on unyinisi nonyi. Based on binu do binu no gbihun ye. Based on binu we ni. You understand? All see and na make my surprise. Ugama edogbo ya noje iya ona we onyunu ayo awo. Bedu won no ma we akweti omi ona mu ugu we mudia. Ama we mighty e wo ya mudia. Egbon awede oni okeke no gogo o akun so hunda unyimo ogun ane unyimo ma e karata ma egbon awede oni o mana ti hanu e o ma we dan my la with that video maso hanna maso hamu bogbe maso hava wawa no be we si keke ni ma be na cause ni yi me go na ma o ma ga we no mame yi ma le kiri gida ma talo ma e mo to talo ma e ti na o but iwa talo mama understand. So on in Ampulofua, Babidi mi mawario we my gbina my gwi understand me ahemi hai ya ziri understand do wana ngewe ibe yemi so ziri kwa ya take a person unda we emi o emi hena ya ziri understand omo agbese onye ase bi oyi Juliet gbese onye na se dogbo no lega Juliet omo no bowa ori bowa o ma yeziki yakova glovi ni ona we no ga ba se dogbo ni eji dogbo no ye ya na kole tu pa eni omo egene de nyata Juliet pa me de no yiwe funda imani rewe bo na this hianga ibowa hianga fence hianga me glovi yo hianga cover the glove no ga shine you we company yan pa hianga yo ni neighbor yan gi shine man understand but Juliet we rio we no ya ba on have street light the fence okay no ba so dogbo no de ni eji egbi wo rio iku na yegbe kono iku na re pon egine we yes mama will try we no je no hu eri o meji no pia abo gudu we awe baba we this man he ya ko bia we dia e ya danyoji ya ko ri we o we ya kale ko o wo yin kale ko ma na san na eri ono ho wa hia wa we se beba na ni ibe monika ku ne If you monica kune, right now, even no case or a good animals, you know, what here were or when we are so about an hour, there is a very quarter you would, Malasan, now as there is a go on and there was anywhere you gain. I know he's one always so I been on here, like the good bullet, no one who get though. Oh, if ye men want talk show. On our way the war, on our money, I beg you, and one man will keep on every cabin, when of you buluku. Do a marry me, he can be born in the area, have a dinner, where a jesu, no see kanyo, where you see kanyo, on I the boss you have here, no problem. I will stick it all. I got gum so by I'm understand. So, but banana. You men were here, our 2 men were here. Are they money banner? A money guam when you were a money devil, whatever. No, what here, no, while you know, what guys will get do, now Guamona, Babugi Hunda, where no Benny water, or you need water, or Simeno, or not both away, Jimmy, or Tobaba. No, while I hold what get a Juliet, no more Zugi, the Hunda, or Dizare, or Moga, on your film. A musician of a man with a honey, so boy, I color, I so boy, so I'll be winning my hair. And I didn't know you don't win your whip about this man. While I went and I'll sit down on whom would turn because me got what I say. So in an hour, my lala, master. Oh, no, man, why a team and Mumuna. And you must do a ball with Frankie Mumu. Document I know that Monsieur Mumua, and Mumua, and one of it, Mumua, we are present for him. Don't want young, I want young. The Bible is mine, don't want young. Don't mind so back here, me. What the other way you mean what gas, what gas women move one book by your. Oh, anyway. Give me a chance. So ayo boy seren waya wata wa be wa be ne kare. Okay, now let's go there. Isalu me man wala ka be gi we ni na wa misisha ayo yo wa. Coronavirus avec mano. Coronavirus avec où? Now I greet everybody. Not too much, not too much. Actually for all of us who are here wa ato. So, here you let it or at all. Every night, Mamma, a boy, a fancy man, when you have fair, for all of when you have a happy birthday to you, more years and prosperity. You know, that is more picking. And I want to pray for you. I don't pray with Bini. Even you let him use English, pray for you. Hey, make all the angels of the Most High God. All of the dirty prayers, all of the dirty guardians, they don't sit down here today. July, today on your birthday, abundant blessing for you. You understand? You know the guy, the be pass. If you mess, your mess must remain. Wallahi salam alaikum. If you mess, your mess must remain. Because now mess with remain. Now you better mess. You let you go too fine. The way you do fine. Now so your heaven train fine. The train where they carry you go, they go heaven. They don't decorate on, but it never come. Because why? You go old. They're going to call you old modern. You understand? They're going to call you old modern. The way God will take bless you, they're going to call you blessing. Your name will be blessing. You understand? When God will favor you, they're going to call you favor. They feel me so. Now so it will just be. Any man, any woman, we want to stand for your way. We go see me. May they retard your train of blessing. Holy Ghost fire. As I talk and I say just be you. Any man, any that last man standing in your father's house, in your mother's house, in where you grow up from, that is trying to draw you backward and say, it will not see your blessing, it will not see you excel, it will not see you go forward. As I stand and I sit down here to pray to the Most High God, that person will fall down and die. In fact, because why the Bible says, suffer not a wish to live, but to destroy them. Every man, every last man standing, that say over their dead body, they will not see you excel, they will not see you lift up. That person will receive fire in the mighty name of Jesus. About God already talking, as I talk and so, now so it just be. No man will ever stop your destiny. No man will ever stop your light to shine. You will begin to shine. You will begin to shine. When light come, darkness must disappear. Because you are Christ-like. You are Christian, you are Christ-like. You are light. When light come, darkness must disappear. Every darkness in your life, every negativities in your life, as I pray to you today, as you celebrate today, all of them will disappear in a hurry. In the mighty name of Jesus. You will not die. You will not fall. You will not falter. You will stay alive to declare the word of God in your life. In the mighty name of Jesus. People will look into your life and call you blessed. People will look into your life and begin to celebrate God. People will look into your life and change from evil to good because you are a light. Your light will shine all over the world. You will reign all over the world. People will hear your name for good. In the mighty name of Jesus. As I pray for you, so I pray for all your friends that called you for good. Or everybody, every man, every woman, every child that celebrates you this year. Celebration will never end in their life. Celebration will never end in their life. The same prayer I pray for you, I pray for all my fans, I pray for my followers, I pray for my brothers and my sister. You all are blessed. You are lifted. You will not die. You will not fall. You will not falter. In the mighty name of Jesus. Thank you, everlasting Father. Thank you, King of glory. Thank you, Ancients of Days. For in Jesus' mighty name I have prayed. Amen. Happy birthday to you, my sister. Make I say Benin song for you. Gadu gemu bieme gogo no kwano. Agadu gemu bieme gogo no kwano. Agadu gemu bieme gogo no kwano. Eju let your duge o ne gogo no o. Eju let your duge o ne gogo no o. Ogbe were dia o ne gogo no o. Rami uponu seti o ne gogo no o. Eju let your duge o ma gogo no o. You let your friend Sister Laura Rosie, the boss lady one of UK, Wahia Naomi, or we need to wish you a happy birthday, we need to celebrate you in a very grand style, which I have done. You understand? You want to be celebrated, man, because why? I mean, you say, what about in your dig no ga gun when you say, in your Louis Bawa, in your Wonyanga, or else no ga gun or see now not surprise you with a different dimension. You understand? Not being a water or in a water, not deserving me away now. Keep on the good work and keep your good character, because why? You were born with it, you not learn now. Good character now what you come from heaven, not be waiting the practice, because if you practice and if you fail sometimes, you understand me? Keep it real, keep it shining. God is always on your side. May God continue to bless you all of you that have good friends, that want to wish your friends happy birthday, you want to celebrate your friends in a different dimension, you want to give out a shout out birthday to your friends, you can inbox me, you can contact me, we can do it in a very grand style. And so it just be. I greet all of you now. All of you now too much, and nobody will be say important for this life. Everybody is important in a different dimension. It might be useless to you, but another person might be important to that person. So nobody's useless. Everybody's important. I greet you now too much. God will continue to bless you now. And I say the blessing will see the flow from my body too. God will still bless me, protect my household. And say it will just be. I wish you love for now. Happy birthday, happy celebration. So when I subscribe to Umenwa TV for YouTube, so that we'll first go YouTube, the bubblerize, see the nyanyerize, see the enjoy ourselves. See, you know, now we're doing another song. But baby, me, our area where I said to ya sing more, I had to ya big bone, I would admittedly with Vanna Wagina, Wagiam, Temata Magby, Una Temata, Una daily honest way. Things begin to move well. It's just the secret. The secret of success is honest. Be honest with yourself and be honest with the people around you. You will see same everything with the streets, everything goes smooth where. Now so just be. You understand? A greater love now. Inside there, someone will not forget. We see the Umenwa talk show. Yesterday, I say this woman, what did they call her? This Nancy for Paris. Who get a number, make it send me number, never still get a number, never still get a contact, direct message to her. He never reply me. Who gets the contact, make him emboss me, give me the girl contact so that I go fit call her. I want ask her question concerning the atrocity that was done. You understand? We make it no get provoke. We be say she go bring no get children picture out and write rest in peace put, which is totally not acceptable. You understand? So that one who get her contact, when I emboss me, when I send me a contact for the car where I bring out, you know, when I give us for gifts, one beautiful, charming, pretty lady that collect the car. So we'll give her the car, and on Monday, now we'll collect the car. For where the car, they forget it for the car, where they park the car put. So once he collect the car, I tell them say everything about the car, they give her details. Once he collect the car, I'm gonna watch them. I will still post them for my page. When I will watch them when they handle the car, give her. Because some people think say nah fake. You understand? Some things say na fake, some things say na scam, some things say maybe na one use to get views. You understand? So na reality, it's just unfortunate that why we say we need one give the car out for single mother we get driving license. Is just to educate our single mom that not be only document 3 years to 1 year document now what they fight for, una they pray for. A lot of people they know they sleep for night. A lot of single mothers, all of the day night calling group, prayer group with the day because of they want get documents. If you go, most of German women, our Nigerian women with the Germany, majority of the day night, what do they call them? Midnight prayer group. Or majority of almost of all of them. There are few. Then I go there for inside. Midnight prayer group. Ask me what they pray. Their prayer point for them are documents. Documents. Now the one where they don't even give documents, na husband. And those two things can be their prayer point. And they talk now from life. But I not say una prayer point we know. Men know. Who God say go bless you, go bless. Not be everybody God go favor. I just now hear the truth. If you like, shout, pray God, give me husband, give me husband, give me husband, give me husband. If your character not good, the husband not they come. If you can't go. Pray may God change your way. Pray may God change your attitude. Husband surround you, husband fool around you. And your character will keep the husband. You understand? Some not they pray for document, there's some document they pray for. Some not go pray for document, they don't get document, they go pray for husband. Now, document go come, driver license you not get. Driver license itself na see document. You understand? And in Bible, it's just like the way you get bank, you get put this thing, ATM card. You understand? You get MasterCard. You understand all of the inside your wallet. If you still get driver license, you go see the assist you, they carry your children. They go, all this Kerelo. All the 20 years that they pay children benefit. You go the drive, you don't go see the drive pass for children. My mothers, they go just do Carolo, go this straight line, one just cross the zebra like, whoa, Carolo wakbo jo. I want we be in Nigeria. We are like Kedena, in Africa shall be there. You understand? I just want to tell you the truth. If you get time, your picking does still grow small. Keep on put on for kindergarten. Go drive school. You understand? Go drive school. Play. You go still get the driving school. You go learn now. Before you know what will happen, you go still get like as this car come out now. You give person now, woman go drive school, get drive school, finish it. You never get money to buy motor, but you don't get the driving license, put on your pocket. You understand? You come here yesterday now, finalize everything, the car not be your own. You understand? Now so it just be. They do all this thing small. Not be saying what there's more busemo. Our dele cow take, cow nyash, intest, our body, all the part of cow. Our women, no one will not know. No part of cow will not know. So, we want to take easy small. We want to see the plan for these children. You understand? Now, people agree to now. So, we don't celebrate birthday finish now. Let's talk about children benefits for Germany. Now, Germany is for the cost problem. The rest other country, more than not vessel, I don't know of the other country. For German, children benefits. I talking last week, say, we're going to talk about children benefits. Who's supposed to collect children benefits? Which person? Number me appear my number there. For not to the call. Which person is supposed to collect children benefits? How they supposed to spend children benefits where they cause quarrel, they cause chaos? Because some women they will say benefit even make the men live them. You understand? Some men some day like that. You understand? So let's talk about children benefit. Who's supposed to collect this benefit of a team? So Agora César, ainda se Jesus meu. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. I appreciate you all. You are the best. You remain the best. You all watching me, you are the best. You remain the best. I salute you now. All those people inboxing me, writing me, you people are the best. You understand? So, sing on the woman, the mother, my brother, okay? Who supposed to dey collect children benefit? Why be say our men see dey pull on truth for children benefit? Today they come for men wey dey fight for benefit. Now or one. I know cause now I just want to come advise now. Not be say when I fight, when I'm not wrong. Not be fight. Na advice. Children benefit ego more. Eriga yeah. Oya na e apowo gya o ora ma gbe. Ego mo gya o. Don keke na rige. Ego mo ni government di no ma we bo. Era ija ego mo ni wo keke na ya alo e ma ni bungu ije wa ya warati je wa ni. Ije the mother. And the woman is supposed to chop the benefit, abi. And the woman is supposed to chop the benefit. Okay now. Who suppose be collect children benefit? Is it the father, the mother? Who supposed to collect the benefit? May I pin my number there? Who get my number when I write them out? May I pin it there? Osoria menzo ineze gbene tu iya laberu. Otehianda sogibo fiame won iya laberu. Otubutubu no igbewo diame iya laberu. Soria meru iya laberu. Iyo iya laberu. Tudududum tudum tudum. Tududum dum 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 dum. Bang 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 bang. Okay now. C'est not the mother. Okay now, 6924. Who is supposed to collect? Okay, let me pin my number here. Who's supposed to collect children benefit? Is it the father, the mother? I greet you, Wato. I must greet you, one love. So the number is there. Who's supposed to collect benefit? Is it the father, the mother, the sister, the auntie, the uncle, the nephew? Who's supposed to collect benefit? If you are going to ask it, so, calling for your contribution. Right now, everybody is always saying, my mom, the mother, all of the above. Okay? Jeff also say all of the above, not supposed to collect the benefit. Okay? Go, let me diagnose this issue a little bit, sharp, without wasting much time. So, my people, agree to now. Good evening. So now, the topic we are going to deliberate on now is benefits. Our men, when I invite them, come and sit down. Men want to talk. You understand? The first say we dey abroad, not me say we don't know where for come from. Now hear me for the get problem with some men, not be all. Some go say I be traditional man, God. God, I beg, we'll make heaven so. You sure say we go make heaven? Some go say I be traditional man. When they listen, and they fight for children benefits. Africa, who for they come, now men and they take care of women. Now men and they take care of children. Now men and they take the responsibility. Now man go work in the morning, go hustle, make money come. If you want to come to work, go count money, give you wife, say take cook, take back clothes for children. Take this one, take pay for go pay light bill, come for NEPA office. Take this one. If landlord can give her house rent and they go work. Now man, inside they go still give woman small thing. You see the man go say, me I want buy, get one rapper we want buy for our meeting. You get one rapper we want buy for the meeting where we did. The man go say count money. If I the lie, man they talk to and lie you. The man go say count money, go still give you wife. For the association where the woman still do. But for Europe. Hello? I agree with you. Yes, ma'am. Because of, you said? Okay, beautiful. Fire down.
Oh, okay. The children benefit, now the woman are supposed to collect her. And for the they not say me with the woman correct and make them use that take food or take it. You feel safe for the children, you feel see bad something for children inside. Because children won't get for this Europe. Government see they have seen where they pay primary school. So when they enter second
continue, ma, continue.
okay, when they enter secondary school, they don't fit for the boot. Not be every time they will say your children don't feel wear the tax or throw back something. And when they enter university, the first payment when you go pay is about 5,000 or 4,000. You need to pay yourself, not the government. So the children benefit, they use our head first. We feel this straight for them or use our back for the not before the mother or for the father.
Okay.
No.
Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Thank you for your contribution. God bless you.
Thank you.
All right. Avielele, that's my first lady. Base me to give you chance. Avielele not go out. Oh yeah, now, but now. Oh yeah, now, but now. Avielele, do me you call, mo still you born, mo collect me for collect benefit because I benefit the right now. So my people, for where they come, now men they take responsibility. It's just the way it is. Now men go buy this one, buy this, everything now men and they charge. You understand? Or let's say your woman they work. If you they work, if you give your woman 200 naira, make it take go market. The food where she go cook for you, she go cook food of 1,000 for you. Women not change them. I don't decide to support the women. They have to tell me the reality according to where I for grown. If you give woman 1,000 naira notes, before you go cut that money, it go hard. Woman they hardly spend that money, and then they keep on, they keep on, they go use and put, cause that note in already and fear. But if you give her 200, 300, 500, no, don't spend that money. But that 1,000 naira note, they put up for saving account for themselves. So in case you want to cook tomorrow, you give her 200. She they go market, she go buy this one, she go buy this one. You go want to find the best, give your husband, make soup or sweets. So that tomorrow your husband will fit add money journal. Now so our women, our man for us. Now so they cook that for Nigeria. So when we come reach Europe here, why be say men come they fight for money, fight for children benefit? When it be say now you supposed to even give the add John that one we government even they break come. A reasonable man, I want to explain. If you love your wife, if you are a romantic man, if you are a man who be say you the pamper woman, you know how to play love well with your woman. If you get happy home, there is never a time where woman go even hide benefit money for you as a man. Not only home where happiness no day. Now woman go collect children benefit. You go to hide down, or you go to use her to do something for us. Me, your husband not touch her. That home there is no happiness. A home where there is happiness, a home like as me did so. My bank account, my ATM, the code of my ATM, my woman must know her. Because me not feel the hide down. Just to be at the woman, don't me say I need money. When I know say the ATM, I'm not going to take. See the pin, take what you want to take for them. I don't feel go, I don't feel just drive, go, I beg. She go by herself, go there, go take how much she want take. That bank, how many men for Europe they do joint accounts with their wife for Europe? You know they. Because why? I don't know. If you just do just account just now, the woman, if you die, now the woman will get all this one. All those kind bad mindset where most of our parents they always they put for our head, especially when we don't do Europe. You don't feel tell your woman all the secret. What you muteko we my okono we love yeke okono yeba anyway only actually poison. Okono supposed to be the person you should after God now woman for your life. Not be your mother. Because your mother then Nigeria sleep. Now your woman now you go put her for your chest. Now your woman I go cook for you. Now your woman I go give you food, I go give you water drink. Where your papa your man not day. Even the Bible talk and say, man shall leave the father and the mother and cleave with the wife. This your wife, now be your friend, now be your mother, now be your sister, now be your everything. And you don't put all your trust for this woman. But all the trust when you still put for this woman, you go still do something secretly behind this woman. You go still get house where they build for Amagba where you don't let this woman know. You go still get house where they build for a car where you don't let this woman know. You understand? Now let the one who build for a dog bone, she know. And you say you dey in love, and you say, me this one, they open up everything about her for you. Like they there now. What if we dey kill ourselves for this life we will dey so? Which kind of mansion you want build? Where be say you can't stay secretive, you don't feel free yourself, sleep well, close to her. Some men they with wife or house, then they sleep, they don't they close their door. Because of the kind of bad mindset where they get towards the woman with the money for us. Hello? What up, man? What up, man? I greet you. See how you find? See how you find? You be like Regina Daniel. You be Regina Daniel. I must greet you. Arthur. Okay. The more speaker. Where?
I don't understand.
Yeah.
But no tabana where okay no who trust over can hold a card when he believe if I tell and we tana deep me aware I must say 5 people nowhere.
That's true.
Also ando me we when you put na ya support to be one muya because here my trust to be any yeah feel when you support for na gba kwa you know is why am of your hand lokan do here retire every ni no so serge I don't understand
Exactly.
ik be na ti you na ti afu e kore na ti ake ko
I worry as one for corner, yeah, for corner.
believe the way you understand me believe we who here be am we talk about yeah trust it be ya good be planning eti me be marry we ni say we later now we say
No wala, worry we are change. I worry wa me do ni Jesus do no ni bro also bo ku we. Understand? What?
okay now.
So now just the truth. You understand? If you want a happy home, you want me your wife not leave you. You want me your wife not call ballet before you. Kill your line away for house. No woman will not the harsh you. No woman will not the get. You see that all these our women. That water will they put for their heads too. If man they use 2 hours, every 2 hours, now they decrease. You know say woman on every 2 minutes and they decrease because when their head they always hot. Don't they put water for head. As you as a man, you want married woman, you must know this thing for head first. If you be the kind of man you want peace for your house, you want me you will last. First of all, give your house happiness. Fair arrange your house, make your house stay happy. Play love. They free with your woman. They free with your woman. Relax yourself. They play love well with your woman. That thing they make woman they lie. They make woman they shine. And your way it must not be sex. Be a romantic man. There are sometimes all those kind of play where you play when you this small. They play with your wife. All this kind of play, it they make woman they remember men. Or that make it cool or gidi or cool way. Now that kind of person be. Sometimes if you they talk so kind serious things, me go they laugh. When me again, you know they take things serious. They do all those kind of funny things, make your woman they happy. They put smile for your woman eye. Some men go there, some men just they press dog, man again, they want enter house. In wife man go down fly. Hey, oh we read. He be real be na. Be na be the king come me wala gere. You don't already turn wahala to the woman. Once you enter her, the woman, they say, before you go even eat, how can you imagine husband and wife, two of them sit down for dining, they eat? Or how many times, since when you don't dish food put for your wife mouth? Since when you don't clean one put for her, you go see the move on. Go say, why not? If you don't want to give me, okay, sorry, I wait. Since when you don't do that kind, play that kind of rich, many men for Europe. Now go they come on. Natural benefit to them they stay husband house. Natural benefit them they don't see the mother. Natural benefit them. Why? Well, the first place, why must you even drag for children benefits? If you be man with the romantic, if you be man with the play love with your woman, as the money they come, as they pay the money for that woman hand, and the woman will say, daddy or my darling or my husband or whatever pet name they call you, see the money where they pay give our children. No. How we want to do it? Now she go come ask you how we want do it. Now you go be the man we're going to see how we want do it. That kind of home, you don't say love the day. When are the way to I don't see woman when they do that thing for your husband. I go tell her what the man they do. This woman go bring the money, come out, say, honey, see the money where they give us to do. How we want do? This man go pack the money. You go dey use on the build house for Nigeria. This man now go dey go house. He go marry another woman for Nigeria. Go put down another woman for that house where they don't use children benefit. Take build. Take join hands together. Build. A lot of things they happen for this Europe. Not be everything I want me at the expose, but we will use how they learn gradually for this platform. A lot of things with this my head here. I go sometimes me go even they shed tears. I go they join they cry. We think some of our men they do. You understand? This woman go open their mind as you really meet woman. Make I tell you the truth. If you toast woman, use sweet man, toast woman agree for you. That woman can never be a vampire towards you. Na lie. Any man tell me that thing, na lie you talk. The first time when you meet the woman, when you toast the woman, the first time when you are the woman, they see, now they talk, now they play love. That woman, they use a good heart, they follow you that time. Now your character can make the woman turn to vampire. Hello.
Hello.
I greet you, man.
I greet you, sir.
The house greet you.
I greet you, sir. I greet you. I just dey watch your.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, man.
Yeah, you're on live. So I live in Switzerland anyway, so I always watch you.
Thank you very much. I appreciate you.
So thank you for the job and thank you for the truth you are talking. Really, I really like, when a man come out and you just say the truth, bang, I like it. Thank you so much.
Well, thank God.
And I hear where you was announcing that you are on the 18th of March.
Yeah.
Even my daughter.
Wow.
My daughter is on 18 next week.
That's good.
So my mind was telling me to call you.
Okay.
To call you, to tell you, even my own daughter is on the 18th that day.
Wow.
So I was very happy. I said, oh, the same day. I said, wow, it's very good, So I said, let me call you and to wish you happy birthday in advance.
Thank you very much. I appreciate you.
To wish you.
Thank you.
I don't know what to do, If you can just wish my daughter that day happy birthday.
Okay.
Also, I would be really appreciated.
Okay, no worry. After the live video, I'll call you.
Okay.
No.
This is my daughter number I'm using because I'm using my phone also to watching you now.
Okay, no problem. So is that your daughter that is on celebrating birthday?
Yeah, it's my daughter celebrating birthday.
Okay.
Yeah, Olivia.
No problem.
Yeah.
No problem. So she can dance very well, Abi. Because she go challenge me for dance.
Sweet people don't dance. Yeah, you will try.
No, well, it is well. Happy birthday in advance.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you for the work you are doing. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Right.
Thank you so much. I'm on the line. I'm watching you.
All right. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. One love.
Thank you.
So it's the truth. You see, our men, if we really know women they use their good hearts to follow us. Now when we don't date them, from the beginning we start with good sweet words, romantic words. We they take them out, they give them things, show them love, give them ice cream, because why? We define what they done. We define the cocoa where they done. And I should not chop the cocoa because the woman they happy. Say God will bless her with man, romantic man. Now you don't chop what they done, chop and first time, chop and second time. As the more they chop and the more the thing call it blight, they call it tire you because why? You not genuinely love the woman. You don't love the woman heart. You don't love the woman soul. Now the body now you love. Now the body you see now attract you. Not be the soul, not be the heart you study. You fall in love with. Now what did they happen to many of us? And then you see say some of us they love the body, but the more we go close to the women, we're going to fall in love with the heart. That is why you see some men still there with their woman till today. Because from the beginning, they love the body, love the beauty. Inside the beauty, they're going to go to fall in love with the heart. But if you be the kind of man where they study woman very well before you approach woman, you go find out the things where this woman they do. You find out the woman. You go first study the character, study the heart. Then when you go inside, you know go feel commot. Because you know what you want and be this. You understand? So many of our men, the way they fight for children benefits, we don't love our home. We don't love our family. If you love your family, your children benefit not be, the woman not supposed to spend them. The benefit of the children not be for the woman. The benefit of the children not be for the man, not for the children. You're supposed to open an account. They save the money put. Before your pikin complete 18 years, you gonna become millionaires. You gonna become millionaires. Money, your account go don't swear. When you don't complete 18 years, they go higher institution. You don't need to be stressed again. You go relax. You go to spend the money for the children. The children go to spend the money themselves. They not going to disturb you again. And the way Oyibo to live their life with that one from abroad. We will just come. We know they imitate good thing. Now the bad one, now they pick. What would they try to do? Some would they forge our own. The same way they upgrade, our own upgrading. And they upgrade, they fraud our women. They chop our women money. They deceive our women. They do one or two things, or they deceive them. Now be waiting with now be our smartness, so our sharp man, guy man, and they can't break with that one. They fraud them with different style. You understand? So they collect money for their hand. None of us, they genuinely they love that women. These are our women. You understand? See, forget the fact of what they first do. According to the Bible said, all things are past. All things become new. Even though your wife don't fit do road work, you don't fit do all manner of things, all manner of rubbish. The day you decide on your mind, say you want to marry this woman, you have made this woman the bone of your bone, the flesh of your flesh. Everything she has done is of the past. You marry her as a virgin. Yes. You read that, go deep in the Bible, you go to say you marry that woman as a virgin. The day when you exchange ring with that woman, the woman has become a virgin to you. Any other news where anybody talk about her for the past, now you're back in the past. Because why? You know who you are in love with. You are not in love with flesh, but you are in love with that woman's soul, that woman's spirit, that woman's good heart, where you see, now you fall in love with. How many of us love the soul? How many of us love the heart of our women? With real. You understand? Not all thing we go genuinely they show women love. We go genuinely they open our heart, they love women. You see, this fight of children benefit no go fit stop. Until when the men go genuinely they fall in love with our women, we go genuinely take responsibility. We go know say now we supposed to make the house happy. Because when the up is bad, can't reach down, everything goes spoil. Because the foundation is totally wrong. If you build your house in a solid foundation, the foundation will be strong. But if you build them for foundation will not solid, the house will collapse. Now the reason why many marriages for Europe collapse with that one. Because some of our men, now we be the foundation of that home. Now we go position the women, set the women, this is how it is. This is how it is. A lot of our women, they not really settle that the time of them to learn more about marriage of a teen, how to learn how to cope with men for us. Now they take flag on Europe. So you will be the man where God bless with wisdom. Now you supposed to know, so, okay, this one where I see here, so I go cope with her. I go know how I go set my home, with my home no go scatter. Everybody they plan to build the home so that people go see your home, they give testimony. People go see your marriage, they want fall in love. People go see your relationship, oh, they want enter relationship. But how many relationships will they see for abroad? Today we go fight, tomorrow we'll call the kids for live video. That will not be relationship. Every time relationship na go back. When children they grow up, tell me a good home. The children when you bring out from there will test you the kind where home where they for come. If you see some pikin for outside, you go know say this pikin the home where for come na happy home. It gets some children when you go see for outside, you go know say this home they never come for happy home. Some children go outside to call house na problem. Because they know say that they call house now what they want commit. The father is not father, the mother is not mother. They be like cat and rat. Make they don't say we scatter. Make they don't say our relationship is spoil. No, we just the passion they go. Man and wife go they house. They go they keep malice. That will not be marriage. A broken relationship is better than a divorce. If you are in, you are in. You go just they do boo, 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 boo. You go come house. You go go bedroom by yourself. You go. How many times? How many men nowadays they carry their wife say, "Mo will go bath. Mo will go get a bath." How many men they carry their wife? They go bedroom, go the bath. Instead, everybody they do you. So they do you. So they do you. Everybody doing it only. Not comfortable. You go see the men go bath finish inside bedroom. Now you go wear trouser. Man go bath, he go wear trouser inside bedroom. He no go feel naked. Go inside room. Go see me. And tomorrow they go that finish. Go see me. Bring the thing come. It not make sense. Not until we go know say okay, men and women, all of us will go become one. When you become one, what till you get now your wife get her. What till your wife get now you get her. From there you will see things go begin to work well. The children will be happy. I go one home, God. I go one Nigeria woman, husband and wife home. When I reach that home, oh boy, to marry today, the hungry me. You get home where you go love to the visit all the time to go to learn. You go see the man, you go lie down for ground, for rock. In children, 4 of the children, they will come lie down on top. They go to knock on. Their man will come, cause they fall on top. They go to shake the Bible, their back with the shot. No man, not kill me, man, not kill me. I fought my hand like this, I dey laugh. You go see the man, the way the woman go hold your husband. You go to kiss your husband. For my president go say, "Umema, go marry. You go want to do a minute." No, you see this guy home. You go sit down and you go love to get married. You go love to get wife. You go want to get wife to match. You go see children. As you learn, not that you call the children, so they come down. Come and greet Uncle Frank. They will call the children. Come down, Uncle Frank is here. Before they come down. Some children for abroad, as they press their bell, and the pikin want open door for you. They don't know whether na bomb you want break on, whether na gun you want break on. And the pikin, all the children, all the demon, they want first see the visitor when they enter their house. Now abroad, there will they see them. You understand? Mona learn how to take care of children well. In case of tomorrow. Now tomorrow, and they use and they make parable for live video. Now waiting and see for person house. Now they make parable for live video. So you understand? Then they watch me. If they say they're not still good, I go see use and make parable for live video here. Maybe I don't tolerate to me. When I stand down, they wipe them. I don't tolerate. Their parents even know me. I don't tolerate. I go just caution them for they stand sharp. Not the waste time. You understand? Train your children well. In case of tomorrow, you don't know the visitor will come to your house. And the truth. You will see the children. Ordinary birthday when they go to do, you will see they go scatter cake all over. They know they compose. You know why don't they blame the children? The parents are not composed. Now from the foundation, now the house scatter. Your papa go they do just papa go go this side, mama go this side. What do you expect from the children? When the two couple are composed, they love themselves. The children when they bring up, now waiting that they practice. Now they want me those children still practice. You understand? We don't even have to blame the kids and the parents. Now they get the problem. Now be the foundation where they talk about. And then you go see, as you go and pay your account very nice. How much they put for your account? Huh? Yeah, I'm increase the canal. Now man go they ask that kind of question. And the funnest part, these are men where they work. These are men where they work. Don't be the one who just done for house of reliability, no work. These are men where they work, where they get documented, they work. They go see the truth for 200 euros where they want to give children. Or man make sense. It is hard time. We know, say, we the men, we're supposed to take responsibility, take care of our house, build our home. Let peace reign between us. Let peace reign between your children, you and your children and your wives. Tomorrow you carry them out and if you talk out, now this man picking be this one, now this one picking be this one. I know saying that God now take care of picking, but we the parents, we have a lot to contribute to their life. God will protect them spiritually, but physically, you as a father will render them a lot of lesson, a lot of moral lesson. Not be so benefit. Chop money, chop money, chop money. Hello.
Hello, my brother. I'm here again.
I greet you, ma.
I want contribute for waiting the talk since.
Oh, yeah, fire down.
Okay. That benefit,
Yeah.
like where I dey, if you dey work, if you dey work, the woman or the man dey work, now you fit get benefit. You understand me? That's the country when I dey.
Yes.
You know, if you just sit down for house, like country when I dey, Switzerland, you know, if you sit down for house, say you dey expect any benefits. As per say you get paper, you get their document. You understand?
Yes.
If anyone they work, then you go apply put. Like me, I no quick apply. I want make the money fair grow first. You understand?
Yes.
When it grows, since where they pay me, really, my husband not they accept to this benefit. You understand me? My husband not, you know, you just hear and say, oh, see how much, because now according to the company where you the work follow.
Yes.
Now they will take pay you. Some they pay 200 euro for one picking.
Okay.
Some go pay 150.
Yes.
You understand me? They will pay 150. Inside that money, I go take them. You know,
Yes.
me I just stay like Jeremy because we know they use euro for here.
Yes. I know.
They use Swiss franc
Yeah.
here. Me I just say okay, as people will understand that where I want go. Like Jeremy now,
Yeah.
even though they pay your pikin 100 euro, not just carry that 100 euro or you get 4 pikin, they you pay them 400, you just carry that 400, send go as. You know, because that pikin get future too.
Yes.
You know, because that pikin get future. At least you go cut the money, even though na 50 euro, they pay for that pikin account.
No be lie.
Open accounts for them. All the 4 children, let them get their own account. They put them every month
Exactly.
for them. You understand me?
Yeah.
Like my children, I get 2 children. You understand me? And they put, because I know say not be the money when they pay me, I will just put that 200. Sometimes if I see say okay, the bill when I want pay this month, you know, plenty, then I will just put all the money to 200. Sometimes if I go even put my own money, because why? My children they get future for this country.
No be lie.
You understand me?
Yeah.
They get future for this country. When the time come when I want to give them that card, I still get right to go to post office, go tell them that's the post we are for open, whether not a post office bank or you know, UBS, you know.
Yes.
I get right to go there. So okay, every month I want to make my picking. After 16 years or 18 years, if you complete that 18 years,
Yeah.
I want to make my picking every month. Make you not use past 200 or 300.
Okay.
They could just put on, say you not go use past that money. You understand me?
Yeah.
Because before that pikin go come reach that 18 years, you know how much they that account?
Now be waiting the talk so.
You understand? You don't know how much they that account.
But some of our parents don't know. You understand?
Yeah, because some of our parents don't know and it's very bad. You know,
That's the
money
truth.
go dead there for the pikin because tomorrow the pikin not going to stress you for anything again because you don't give van that card, say, oh, my pikin, take. You know?
You're right.
Now be the gift when you go give her for that 18 years birthday. You go just give her, take. You know?
That's good.
You understand me? Not even me say, okay, you don't even give her that card. Say if you still get anything where you want put, or if you get any gift where you want buy for your own pikin, you know go feel buy am for her.
No, not me. You must still take care of your son.
You know me, you go still buy am.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes I go just wonder why men or women, you know, they fight because of
benefits.
Benefits.
It's not
You
fair.
understand me? Don't they fight? You understand me?
Yeah.
I not still blame the men, oh, really, I not blame the men because we women, we too they do.
Mm-hmm.
Because some people they just depend for that pikin money. You understand me? Make the pikin money, they use them, and I even said, you know, they even see better cloth for the pikin body.
Yeah.
You understand me? They use them for their self. They use them, they build house according to the way they for Jamie, which is very bad. That money when they give your pikin, they not give them, make you take her. No, because that money not there. Some people they Germany now, they do all that social or whatever. You understand me?
Yeah.
They not give you that money. That money where they pay you your own. They still give your children their own. You understand me? They will go even give una feeding money like here. People went there do here. People went get social for here for my own country. Now if we talk, if you there for social, they will pay us rent for you.
Yeah.
Then they will come give you money. Where to maybe they will come count how many of una there. They will come give una money.
All
They
right.
will pay all of them. According, they will pay. They will even give you the mama. They will pay you. They will pay the pikin. They will pay how many pikin where you get. You know, go so I can collect my own pikin. Join now. Then come send go and say because I want to go build a mansion for her. So I forget say my pikin then get future for the country where you dey. The children get future for there. You understand me?
Yeah.
You know, so I'm very confused. Say why?
No, that's what we are talking about now. That's why we are laying this advice.
They will come they fight for benefits.
That's why we are
You
laying this.
understand me?
That's why we are laying this
What
advice
is
for
for me?
mothers.
My advice for the men,
Yeah. Yeah.
not be about to shout for the woman or quarrel. Everything not be quarrel.
Okay.
There's some kind of case when I go sit down, I go they talk and I go they discuss am. You understand me? When I go sit down, I go discuss am. Okay, this money, I beg. This now our children, this one our future.
Exactly.
Okay, the money they come, if you don't 100 euro for one picking. Maybe they take 50 euro, go they put for their account. You understand me?
Yeah.
Before you know it, before that picking reach 18 years or 17,
Their
you
account
don't
don't
know how
swear.
much when you go date
Their account don't swear.
Exactly, their account don't swear. But that house when you they carry your money, your picking money, they go for Nigeria, for Africa. Go
That pikin don't they go that house, go inherit that house.
That picking, no, my brother, thank you. That picking, no, they go that house. You understand me? Even you, when they carry your picking money, they go that house. If you even go Africa, you know where even feel sleep that house. You go the fear. Because everybody na suspect there.
You find they go to lodge for hotel.
Yeah, of course, now they're going to lodge hotel. Then you don't go even sleep there.
You build mansion, they sleep hotel. What's the need of building the house?
Punish our own picking where we born for year. Because now that picking, that be your insurance
Exactly.
for Europe. Yeah, that be your insurance. So I just want to talk to my brothers and sisters. Make now they put head together. Husband and wife when they has make picking money not the be una problem. That picking money, you know, that government give una make una stay the saver. Una the saver for picking. You know, that's una own money. If the government not going to give una money, una they give una picking. I don't know so I will feed una picking, or I don't know so I will build house. You know, so I beg, may we take them easy.
Thank you very much.
May we take them easy.
Thank you very much, man. We appreciate
They say,
it.
if you are in Europe, do as a European. If you then Nigeria, still do as Agbe as then they do for Agbe as they do for Nigeria.
Thank you,
You
man.
understand me? Yes.
Thank you, man.
At least we call this country now, we they see benefits. Nigeria now, they want to give you benefits.
Benefits still do.
They think that one.
Benefits
Who they
in
think
Nigeria.
about yours? Who they think about say you
Mama,
get-
me I tell you the benefits within Nigeria. Nigeria benefits sweet oh.
Tell
Yeah.
me, make I go.
If you born for Nigeria, you go see your neighbor wey go carry baby things come for you. He go buy Pampers come for you.
Really?
They'll come look your room. They'll come look how many baby things when you buy. That's what they come greet you.
Yeah, man, not be smart.
They come look whether you buy hanger. Baby, you buy baby hanger.
Whether you even buy baby, you even get bed.
Now
Whether
be
na
the
even knacking.
now be the benefits.
If na
Oh, God.
Pampers you buy,
Nigeria is
they'll
too
come
sweet.
with Quality. You know?
All right, man.
So maybe we appreciate the country where we dey. Make we not take everything, say everything I fight. Make we appreciate.
All
Because
right.
this thing where we dey receive for Europe here, we not dey receive am for our country.
Thank you very much. We appreciate you for your contribution.
Thank you.
Thank you
my
very much.
brother.
God bless
Good
you.
night. Bye.
Good night. Yes, na so. Mama make me laugh. Now be sporty. So my brothers and sisters, it's just a little advice for the benefits. You understand? For the children benefit, we be saying they cause fight here and there. You understand? For our men. Men, those things not supposed to be, you know. Now woman, now go keep the benefit, go put for your account, not supposed to chop hand. You understand? You're not supposed to chop the benefits, save the money, put them for account for your children in case they don't grow. Now those money that will they spend small. Hello? I greet you. Good afternoon. You are calling from Canada.
And this a piece of advice. Yes.
Your network they break. Your network they break. When they hear you small, they break. Your network they break. Your network be like say they follow gallop. Now so this Canada network they always they be. It go be like say they follow gallop. I mean not because the country far. Canada far. I'm not telling you Canada far. Because you need to tell they call my phone. Network they always they be like say they follow gallop. They go they count. If they read 1, 2, 3, I go say 1. You go jump 2. I don't go hear 2. I can't hear 3. You go jump. I don't go hear 4. I can't hear 5. Network they break. Canada far. If I move, so we will drag the network go that side. So my people, I saw the matter just be. You understand? So the truth be say our women, the money not supposed to save them for the children. Not be one go they spend. Go they use it buy build a house for Nigeria. Network. Network not good. Canada network is not a good network. Hello. How you doing? I'm hearing you now. I can hear you loud and clear. Fire Dana.
About this children's benefits.
Yeah.
Regarding the children's benefit.
Yeah.
The children money, the government, like in Ghana, they based on your income are working. You understand?
Yeah.
So income is high. Maybe you are a nurse or a staff.
Yeah.
There's people kids because there's a amount that you get in a year. The government will see that okay, you're not needed, like they don't need to pay them. You understand?
Yeah.
But if your income is low or average, pay based on your income. You understand?
Yeah.
So, for example, here in Canada, they will try $500, for example.
Yeah.
But when we do a form of force, we will very strong fund called ESP, Safe World Education, the university. In abroad, the primary school is free.
Yeah.
The secondary school, but the university is not free. You have to depends on how many years university the child want, right?
Yeah. So what advice do you have for the couple that are eating children benefit, that are fighting for children benefit? That is what I want you to deliver.
If you're working, I don't see wedding for children benefit. Yeah, and those money will pay to take care of children or save it for them in the future. That they go and if you involve themselves borrowing money,
go to school. And when you don't save for the child, you end up to go to school. And when it works, happen at the money. The issues, some of the money for this is, for example, you want to pay like $40,000.
Yeah.
Cost saying $1,000. If you save like or 25, depends on what you be able to. It will end up borrowing $45,000. So I will advise parents with understand. You save some of their money, demand for the rent, home bills, whatever bills. If there's anyone left, you as a woman can support with the stuff, food, the kids are not working. Do you understand?
I'm understanding you.
I think that will get any trouble. You understand?
Yeah.
And you understand. That's what I want to continue.
Thank you very much. I appreciate you.
And planning and making things right.
All right. Thank you very much. All right. We appreciate you. Thank you. So my people are greeting now. Here we call it a day for today. We don't try. You understand? So our brothers and sisters, the most important thing is this. In terms of child benefit, please, I use God beg una. Child benefit, not for the father, not for the mother. Child benefit now for the children. Open account for the children. They save the money they put for the children before they will complete 18 years. You understand? Open account for the children. Save the money they put. Una remove half for the money. As the money they come in, they enter the children accounts. You understand? If your children they receive 200 euro, split it into two. They keep 100 euro for inside. They use the 100 euro, they buy things to give them. Now just the way it is. When I stop to the fact they use at old age, now you want to use children money they build for flat in Nigeria. Now I want to use benefit money to you say, oh no, so now fellow neighbor, your second is not picture of house. Go for Facebook, say thank God, help me to congratulate, and you know that I really get the house. Some for our women, Facebook things now mostly things for Facebook. Not until you see me life like this. Even me with that life like this. Majority of us now like this life. Now see fake life. Talking of the one now just see the post her, the post house, post skyscraper, post time. See now waiting get, and at the same money where you receive, then they receive for camp. You go they see one okay yourself. My sister, most of all those things what they do for Facebook, now scam. Most of them are fake. Concentrate on your children. Your children where you get for here now, and they be your life, they be your everything. You understand that they be your mansion. Concentrate, focus, give them good moral lesson. Teach them well. Stop they carry the money, they go the park, they go, well, now you want to go buy land, and now you want to go build a house, before you cause, oh, we're not take them easy. I'm not saying we're not help anybody, I'm not saying we're not build a house, but we're not do these things with wisdom. The way that they pay the children, now so they pay you. If you want builders, use your own builders, make you hungry for here. Now simple thing. Use your own to build the house, they do fasting. Down to they use children money, they build house. It's not good. Children tomorrow they will grow come. They will call they ask me a question. This thing when they look like child's place. So when you get when children will grow rich, they will carry God they pay up on their mama. They ask, they say, the money they have been paying you right from when I was born to 18 years, where is my money? If you don't give me the fucking damn money, now I'm going to blow your nigga fucking skull, nigga. You understand what I'm saying now, mom? Mom, you understand what I'm saying now? You don't pay me my money, I'm going to blow your skull now, nigga. Time they come. Time they come. Now, Pekin kill my mom because I say, mom, if you go find work for America, when I see her for social media, when I see her for internet. One of the use brain, mothers, one of the use brain, fathers, one of the use brain for child benefits. One of the use brain to follow child benefit in case of tomorrow future is very, very important. You understand? And our fathers there, I use God beg una. una genuinely love una woman. Genuinely show love to our women. If you love your woman, una not go fight for child benefit. As the money they reach the woman hand, you go say, honey, see the money where they pay us to pay your pikin. How we want do it? Because why love did that house, peace did that house. That house get harmony. You understand? So that when the man they do corner relationship, they hide things for the woman. If they go to receive call for back of the woman, you go there house with your woman, you go to receive call. Your woman go ask, who is that? You go say, it concern you. Must you listen to my conversation? And then problem the past come. Fathers, if we don't stop that habit, we go to remain single till we grow. It gave a man the grow rich, you go need woman for your life. It gave a man the grow rich, you go need person where you go feel say, go give me water for there. We need each other. The way men need us, the way women need us, not so we need women for our life. You understand? Now if you know so you want to keep woman forever, build your house to your taste. Loyal, respect that woman. Respect yourself, respect your children. Not remove anything for your body. If you offend your woman, if you need to beg your woman for his house, you not remove anything for your body. Pride, the key meaning of our men. Pride, the key meaning for our men. And now we never fence our village. We get money. We never fence our village, but now we raise shoulder pass. Now we dey feel pompous pass. Now we know tradition pass. Men, we know say no, we don't follow our rules and regulation. We don't follow our tradition. But in terms of your wife, you and your wife for us, bring yourself down. Be loyal so that your wife go feel be wife. It not go be wolf. Majority of our women turn wolf because of our men character towards them. And they tell you now, anything double, you fear them. You understand? You no fear woman, you no fear God. You understand? After God, now woman. After woman, now gone. And after gone, now war. So all those things, W, fear them. You feel me? So if you want to keep those things, you need to be loyal. You need to respect your women, respect your woman, respect your children. Build your home to your own taste as a man. Not because of benefit. When they use old age, they bed down, they blow smoke for backyard. You understand? Not because of benefit, they use old age, they go to do shopping for Africa shop. They go mock you. You understand? We could be very, very honest with whosoever wanna marry people for us. It's very, very important. You understand? It's very, very important. And just the truth. I greet all of you now. All the men there, respect to now. Not too much because it's not easy to put woman for her because women, their own wahala. Because now W start with it. Wahala deal. It's not easy. So I respect you now. But this side there's someone to add God. With God wisdom and everything will smooth. But the only thing we go make wahala not come, be honest with those women. And just the truth. If you dey honest with woman, if you do woman come for us for work like this, the salary will come back for your hand. Because you are a honest person, he trusts you. He will trust you with everything when he gets. Now when you know they honest, you know they trustworthy. Now woman go collect salary, you don't go know how much she collect for on the end of the month. So be a honest man, be a trustworthy man. You understand? So you're never a successful man. Woman in the corner there. You understand? So be a successful man with woman. Not be a successful man without no woman. All small girl go to use the play. And the truth. I got no fin, I go bofe. Actually, this is from Victor, the Umenwe one of the universe, aka the social media president, Wahiato. Respect to all of them. Respect to all my followers, all of them. What join me celebrate Juliet. Celebration will never end in your life. Now good night. Now sleep well.